Question number 22. The way you solve simultaneous equations is you have to either add the two equations together or subtract one from the other to eliminate one of the variables, so that you end up with an equation with just one letter in. The problem is with this one, if you add them together, you're going to get 7x's and 7y's. If you subtract them, well, you've got a difference of 1x here and a difference of 3x here. So by subtracting them, you're not going to eliminate any variables. So before we either add them or subtract them, we're going to have to change them. In this case, there's a couple of ways of doing it. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to multiply the first equation by 4 to give me 12x plus 8y equals 16. And I'm going to multiply the second equation by 3 to give me 12x plus 15y equals 51. And what I've ended up with now is two equations which are the same. We have the same values of x and y, just different numbers, and the number of x's is the same. So we're going to be able to eliminate the x's. You could have multiplied the top one by 5 and the bottom one by 2, and that would have made the y's the same. You would have had 10 y's in both. You could try that. That would be absolutely fine as well. Okay, I'm going to have a look and find the difference between these. The x's are the same. In the second equation, you've got an extra 7 y's. This number on the end is larger because of those extra 7 y's. Those extra 7 y's have made this second one 35 bigger. Therefore, if 7 extra y's make a difference of 35, then 1y must be equal to 5. And if you know what y is equal to, you can go back to one of your equations and work out what x is equal to. I'm going to choose equation number 1 because it's got smaller numbers, so it's easier to work with. Equation number 1 says 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. We now know what y is equal to, so therefore 2 lots of y we can say is 10, and we've got a simple linear equation which we can solve to find x. Subtract 10 from both sides gets you 3x is equal to minus 6. Divide through by 3 gets you that x is equal to minus 2.